I think today we have little bit less people, huh? So should we wait for 1 minute, 2 minutes? In the meantime, I want you to write something which we have learned last time. So I'm going to open the whiteboard. As we are waiting, we'll start our learning from in 10 minutes, in 5 minutes, I would say. So can you please write for me K? K se Kamal. K. K se Kamal. Very good. Very good. Now, can you please write for me Ch? Ch se Chammach. Chammach is a spoon. Ch. Wonderful, wonderful. And it will go like this. Huh? The line is full like this. Huh? Like this. Line, full line. Very good. Can you please now write for me J? J se jalebi. Jalebi, the Indian sweet. Very good. Very good. Now, please write. G. G se Ganesh. Very good. This is good. G. G se Ganesh. Okay. Okay. So I can see now. So let's revise what we did in the last few weeks. First was Can you please speak with me?
A
E E
I
U U Ri.
Ri
Um, and then A
E
O Au
โอ้อ๋อ
Sorry. So Maswat ji, could you mute yourself, please? Som,
สมสวัสดิ์
I'm muting her. She's unmuting herself.
มีอะไรคะ
พอดีเสียงมันออกมาค่ะ
หืม
เสียงคุยมันออกมาในห้องเรียนนะคะคุณครูบอกให้มิวอะค่ะ
อ๋อปิดแล้วอ่ะ
โอเคค่ะ
เสียงที่ทำงาน โทษทีค่ะ excuse me sorry กุรุจี
No, it's no problem. But just mute yourself if you're talking in behind. That's okay. You know. Okay.
Okay.
And then what is after the first consonant line? Ka,
Chớ,
kha, kha se
khở,
khargosh, ga se Ganesh,
gỡ,
gha se ghar,
khớ,
gha se ghar, ghar,
khớ, khẩu,
ghar, rrr, rrr, ghar,
khẩu,
ghar, and ane. Then what is after that?
chợ,
Cha se chammach,
chợ, चम्मच,
cha se chhata,
chớ, छात्रा,
ja se jalebi,
chớ, जलेबी,
jha se jhanda,
chớ, से झंडा,
um, and ane, khali.
खाली,
Hmm? And then what we did last time? Ta se tomato,
tớ, से टमाटर,
tha se thug,
thớ, tháp,
da se damru,
đ से डमरू,
dha se dhakkan,
ड से ढक्कन,
ane, Ramayan, ane.
न, रामा, न,
So just to make it a little bit easier for you, if you look apart from the vowels, the consonants are mainly grouped in 5 letters group so that it also easy for you to remember. Okay, they're always, most of the time, the first 6, 7 rows are all in 5 letters. So that's why if you remember, that's why the fingers are helpful, because if you remember, you will remember the series also. So today we will learn again 5 letters, but today we will not learn any khali letter. Khali means empty. We will learn all, and they are all very, very important letters because they are used in many, many words. So we will learn today. Could you pronounce with me? Ta. Se tarbooj.
ta से तरबूज,
You know, the watermelon is called in Hindi tarbooj.
तरबूज,
तरबूज,
Tarbooj. J se jalebi wala j.
तरबूज,
Tarbooj. Hmm?
तरबूज,
And then there is this th. Th se than. The udders of the cow are called than. You know, the cow has udders. When we milk the cow, so we press the udders. So they are called than.
ทัน
Than. Than.
ทัน
Two words. Th, na, than. Then we have the third letter today, the, like the English the, the, the,
The,
the,
the,
say the Y is medicine.
Davai,
doi,
The Y is medicine. Or darji. The tailor is in Hindi is called as darji.
the,
Darji.
tanchi,
Darji. And then we have the next letter, the.
เธอทารานุ
Yeah, the say dhanush. You know the bow and arrow?
ธนุ
Dhanush. Dhanush is a very popular Indian Tamil star also. Dhanush. Dha se dhan. Dhan is money.
Dhan, okay.
In Hindi or in Sanskrit, money is called as dhan. Dhan. And the last letter for today is n. N. So the tap, you can see here tap, the water tap in Hindi is called as nal.
นั่น
Nal. La. Nal.
nalla,
Nal.
nalla,
Null.
นั่น
Okay.
nalla,
Okay. So let's learn these 5 letters and we will then write. Today you'll be able to write many more words because these are letters which are very common in various Hindi vocabulary. Okay. So what was our first word? Ta se tarbooj. Huh? Can you please draw a piece of watermelon for me? Huh? So this is green part, and green color is called as in Hindi hara. Isn't it? And the upper part is red. And what it has is seeds. Seeds are called in Hindi beej. Okay. So this is tarbooj. And how do we write tarbooj? How do we write the? It's very easy. So one line. From the middle of this line, this goes and this becomes the, which is like TH. The. Very good. So it will go like this, little bit. It will come, if there is a small line, they both will touch on the line. So that's why the practice should be like this. Is it clear? Okay. So this is, can you pronounce with me? Ta.
Ta.
Ta. Ta se tarbooj. Look at my lips and look at my
Tarbooj.
tongue. Ta. Ta.
Ta. Ta.
Sometimes there is some
Tarbooj.
confusion. People get some confusion. Yes, exactly. You have to remember the word because people might confuse with ta. See, look at now my lips and my tongue. Ta. Ta. And ta is this.
Ta.
This is ta. And this is ta. Ta se tomato, ta se tarbooj. You will not add tarbooj in any curry, isn't it? Watermelon. So don't get confused. If you will not cook watermelon and tomatoes, you will not mix. You will not confuse between watermelon and tomato. So you should not get confused between ta and ta. Is it clear? Am I making myself clear?
Yes.
Okay. Ta. So please pronounce after me. Ta. Ta se tarbooj.
Ta se
Tarbooj.
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 Tarbooj. Very good. Tarbooj. Tarbooj is watermelon. Okay. Now our new letter. What is after ta? Ta. After ta, we have tha.
Ta.
Tha. It's like almost you're spitting, huh? Like thu. You do not thu. So that is actually from tha. 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 And how do we do that? We make actually a kind of a swan. So how do we make a swan? We make a swan like this. This is, just imagine, like this. And then it is with a line, of course. And the line goes like this. Very good. So one small detail, and what is this? Tha. Tha se than. Than yani, than is udders. Cow udders are than. Than.
Than.
Than. Very good. Tha. Is it clear? Very good. So one thing I want to tell you here, small detail, as you have today learned this tha. So in Hindi, we have 4 letters which you will learn. You see, if any Hindi letter which has a small circle in the top, we do not put like a full line like this. Why? It is like they are already wearing a hat and you will not wear double hat. Like a sun cap. So this is wrong. So how do we correct that? Line will not be here. Line will go like this. Tha and like this. So then we will also learn later dha and bha. So and sh. You see, they all have commonality, which is they all have these rounds up. You will learn sh, dh, bh later. Okay? Is it clear to you?
อืม
Okay, great. So what we have learned now, th. Th se than. Can you all
ท่าน
write th on the board, please? Th. Please write. Start. Try writing th. Very good. Well done. Very good. Very good. Well done. Okay. Now our next letter today is, look at my lips and teeth. The. The se dawai.
เดอะเซดาวาอี
Dawai is medicine. Anyone who falls sick, we say dawai de do. Give it medicine. Take medicine. Dawai le lo. Take medicine. The. So how do we write the? We make actually a t se tomato, and we give it a tail, and it becomes the. The pronunciation is da. The.
เดอะ
The.
เดอะ
The. Okay? You can write here the. The se dawai.
เดอะเซดาวาอี
Then we have ink pot. You know, I think when I was young in the school, I used to have those fountain pens. I think we don't use them. So many of us, we don't use fountain pens. So the ink pot is also called as dawat. Dawat. And I told you, what is the tailor called in Hindi? Darji. Darji. Number 2 is called as do. Do. The se do.
อยู่
Do.
ดุ
Do. Huh? This is do. Okay, is it clear? Now our next letter after the, the is dha. You remember I just wrote dha for you, dha se dhanush. You remember
อื
when
ม
I was showing you the? So how do we write dha? We make a small circle. We make actually gha se ghar. That's it. You remember we were making gha like this? And but it was like this. But this is because this has a circle, small round on it. We cannot draw full, so that's why we are giving the line like this. So it is basically, and this is dha, dha double a, dha. Dha se dhan, dha se dhanush, dha se dheere, slow, dheere. Dha se dhoop, sunlight, dhoop. You know, when we do the in this the how do you call them, when we worship in Hinduism God, we offer some fragrance which is very you burn, and it's called as dhoop also. Dhoop.
ทู
Dha. Dhoop. Dhoop is also sunlight. Is it clear? Dha. And is it the difference between dha and gha clear?
จี
So I will write one more time. This is dha se dhan, and this is gha se ghar. But you can see what is the difference between both. Okay?
จี
And our last letter today, again a very, very important letter because it comes in so many Hindi words, is na. Na say null. Null is tap. Basically, you are drawing a tap. One line, and this is the head, and it's like no. No.
นะ
No.
นะ
No. Okay?
No.
Very good. Is it clear? No. No. Say null. Null is tap. Na. No. No in Hindi we say na or nahi. Na is very casual and a proper formal is nahi. And with respect, as you know, in Hindi we always put ji. So nahi ji. No, please. Is it clear? No? Okay, good. So let's revise what we have learned today. And let me write and then you'll all write. So first letter was what? T.
T.
T. What was after that? Th. What was after that? The. What was after that? The. And what was last? No.
No.
So the the and no. Is it okay? Let's read loud. The
T
से तरबूज.
से तरबूज.
थ से थन.
थ से थन.
द से दवाई.
द से दवाई.
ध से धनुष.
ध से धनुष.
और ध से धन. धन.
ध से धन.
न से नल.
न से नल.
Is it the pronunciation is clear for everyone?
Yes.
Great. So let's now write some words. Now you have learned some more. What today you can write a lot of words. First, let's write the word dhan. You have just learned to write actually. Dhan is money. Dha, na, dhan together. But remember the line on top of it. Dha se dhanush, na se nal together. Dhan. Try. Please write on the board. Try. Or do you want me to write? Very good, Kanjana ji. Well done. But remember the line, see, the line is not full. Very good, very good. Well done. Yeah, very good. Great. So let me write one time for you. So we write the, and then we write no, and here it's line full, and here it is like this. Dhan. Dhan. D-H-A-N. Dhan. Dhan is money. Clear? Okay. Now, what else you can write? You can write tan. Tan. Tan is body. Mera tan, my body. Tan. Ta se tarbooj and na. Tan. Very good. Very good. Well done. Okay. Now you can write Jan. Jan. Na has lot of words. Jan. Jan means many people. बहुत जन आए थे. Janta. Janta is the word which is called as public. And Jan means people. In Sanskrit, people are called together, many people. So, for example, if I'll say you are many people attending the class, I will say बहुत जन आए थे. Jan. Jan. Jana jan. Ja se jalebi, na se nal together. Very good. Very good. Now the next letter is tat. Tat. Tat means the side of the river. Tat. Nadiya tat. Nadi tat. Ganga tat. Yamuna tat. The side of Ganga. The side of Yamuna. The side of Kaveri. Kaveri tat. क नहीं. ट. ट से टमाटर. ट. ट से टमाटर. ट. तत नहीं. तट. ट. See, you're falling in that ट. ट. ट से टमाटर. ट. त. ट. तट. This is त. त. tat. That's why I taught you t, t. Can you try again? Tat. Listen and speak. Tat, tat. Very good. Now there is a word called nut. Nut. Nut is the acrobats. The people, those who do acrobat. Sorry, I can hear my own voice. If you can mute or something. Nut. Very good. This is right. Nut. Nut. This is correct. Nut. Nut is the people, those who do acrobat. Nut. Very good. Nut. Nut. Is it clear? Let's do some words with ta and ta so that your confusion will go. Now, for example, we in Hindi, we can say, I'm sure in Thai also you'll say, so there was a noise which was tan, 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 tan. So can you write tan? Tan, 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 tan. Tan tan की आवाज आ रही थी. Someone was making the noise which was sounding like tan, 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 tan. So tan. Tan, tan. Not tan. Again. Tan, tan. T से टमाटर. न से नल. Give it a go. Let me clear the board. Huh? No, that's okay. Right. Very good. Yes, Kanjana ji. Very good. Done. Well done. Great. So tell me, is it the confusion between the ta and ta is better now? Okay, I give you some words. There is a word, repeat after me, called tum tum.
Tâm.
Tum, tum nahi. Tum, tum, tum.
Tâm.
Tum, tum.
Tâm.
Tum tum.
Tâm.
Tum tum is, a wagon which is pulled by a horse. Tum tum. Tum tum.
Tâm.
Yes. Okay. Now, let's one more time write some more words because now you can write. And I wanted to actually teach you Aki Matra also. Is it okay? Should we learn today the Aki Matra also?
जी मैम
Okay. So let's learn how do we do Aki Matra. You all know we have two types of Listen this very carefully. Okay. You all know we have two types of One is and the other one is ah. So what is the difference between this and a? Only this line. If I erase this, you can see this is the one which is adding extra noise, isn't it? Is it clear?
हाँ जी मैम
So then, to add in any letter, the noise of ah, for example, in my name, as we have Anjana, na has the noise of ah. My name is Shivani, va has the noise of ah. We add this line. How? Now, let me explain this again. So you all know how to write k plus ah becomes ka. Just in a line. But if I'll read this, this is ka and this is ka. Is it clear?
जी मैम
Okay. So now you will rewrite. Today what we have learned? We have learned the, the, na. Can you please write for me? Na. Na.
Na.
Very good. Na. You can now add the noise of A in every letter we have learned. So let's write from the beginning, from all the consonants. All the consonants. Okay. Can you please write for me? Ka. Ka. Very good. So when we write ka and ka. Okay. Very good. Ka. Well done. Now please write for me kha. Kha. Let me clean the board. Kha. Very good. Okay, here correction. Kha. Very good. Kha. Is it clear? Is this concept is clear for everyone? Please speak. Let me know if it is not so that I'll try to simplify it more. Is it clear?
जी मैम
Great. Okay. Sorry, when I see board, I cannot see you. Please now write for me. Ga. Ga say Ganesh you were writing. Now ga plus a. Ga. No. It doesn't have line. This is ma. Very good. This is ga. Very good. 3 lines. Correct this one. Yes, very good. Ga. Ga. Well done. Ga. Ga plus a. Ga. Now, what comes after ga? Gha. Gha say ghar. Okay, I'm cleaning the board. Gha. Please write for me. Gha plus a. Gha. Very good. Very good. Well done. Well done. Now what comes after gha? Cha. Cha. Cha plus a. Cha. Not ja. Cha. Cha. Very good. Cha. Very good. Cha. So with every lesson, we will also learn one matra, because then it will also become, you can write while we are learning a lot more words. You all know when we add a line, it will add the noise of ah into it. Okay? Very good. Now, the next letter you will write for me, cha. Cha se chata plus cha plus a, cha. Very good. Cha. Cha. Well done. Cha. Very good. Just add the line and it will add the noise of ah. Very good. Now, next letter. Quickly. Ja. Ja se jalebi. Ja plus a, ja. Very good. Ja. Well done. Well done. Ja. Very good, very good. Now the next letter, jha, jha se jhanda, jha plus a, jha. Jha is also a very popular family name from people, those who come from our state of Bihar. Jha. Very good, very good, jha. Great. Now what is the next letter after jha? Ta. Ta plus a, ta. Ta. Well done, ta. Ta. Very good. Well done. Very good. Very good. Now, what is after ta? Tha. Tha plus a. Tha. Very good. Well done. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now, what comes after ta? Tha? Da. Da se damru. Da plus a. Da. Very good. Not da. Da. Very good. This one is not the. This is da. This is the. We're talking about the, not the. The. Very good. Now dha. Dha plus a dha. Dha se dhakkan. Dha plus a dha. Very good. Well done. So on all those rana khali we cannot add a, but in Ramayana rana we can add a. Rana. Rana. So how do we add rana? Let me show you. So we write rana and we add one more line. Rana. Simple logic. Same logic. Rana. Ramana. Very good. Okay. Now today all the letters we learn. So can you please write for me? Today we learned ta. Ta se tarbuj, ta. Very good. Ta. Ta. Now please write for me. Tha. 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 Tha plus a. Ha. Very good. Now please write for me. D. D plus a. Da. Very good. Ta. Tha. Very good. Tha. Na. And then dha. Dha. And then last word, na. Very good. Very good. Now I'm going to just stop the whiteboard. So tell me one thing. Is it clear for all of you, this ki matra? Is there any confusion? No confusion? Everything is clear?
clear Guruji.
Very good. So you see, now you have learned Aki Matra. You can also write lot more words. For example, there is a word called ghat, and we will do this, because you will learn a lot of vocabulary also. Ghat, Ganga Ghat. Ghat is a place where, we have the ritual of taking bath in river. Because of lot of practices. So Ganga Ghat. Ganga Ghat is the ghat, the place of the side of the river where you can very comfortably take a dip in the river. Ghat. Okay? Okay. Then the what else? Dan. Dan. Dan is to donate something. The plus a plus na. Dan. Any other word comes to your mind? Chai. Ch plus a, and here we have not learned. Jana, to go. J plus a, n plus a. Jana. Jana. So there is a lot of word, whereas you will learn this, and this is called Aki Matra. What you have learned today is Aki Matra. And we call them as every consonants, every vowel has a noise, which you have learned a. So next time we will learn E and E. Choti, badi, E. How do we write? Them with small e and big E. Okay? And so what is your homework? To know one time and also all the letters with A ki matra. Okay? And this is easy. You will see you will learn slowly one by one all the matras. You can read everything. And I will send something because I'm not sending right now. I will send you a story which will have only Aki Matra. I am not sending right now because we have not finished all the alphabets. So there are some letters you'll not be able to read. That's why I'm just introducing you. But immediately, the moment we finish the alphabet, you'll be able to read the entire story in Hindi on your own. Okay, isn't it fantastic? Okay, so any confusion, any question you have, Vedji? Do we have any announcements? Neeraj? Vedji is not there, I think, today. Vedji is there. Vedji? I think. Vedji? It's okay, I think Vedji is a little busy.
माइक या नमस्कार नमस्कार
नमस्कार वेद जी, कोई अनाउंसमेंट है क्या वेद जी?
नहीं, अभी तो कक्षाएं ठीक चल रही हैं। अनाउंसमेंट अगस्त के लिए हम अगस्त में करेंगे। नंदिता जी इसमें कक्षा में हैं, वो भी सुनने के लिए आई थी। शायद अभी तो नहीं दिख रही हैं, या हैं नंदिता?
हैं नंदिता जी हैं।
जी 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 जी। तो मुझे लगता है आखिरी जो कक्षा होगी तब, हाँ, नंदिता जी नमस्कार कर रही हैं।
हाँ जी, नमस्कार।
आपकी अगली कक्षाएं जो शिवानी जी के बाद होंगी वो नंदिता जी लेंगी।
हाँ जी,
ठीक ठीक
ठीक
नमस्कार।
है। So today what we have done, we have learned the, th, the, na, and today we also learn a ki matra. How to add the noise of a in every letter so far which we have learned. So next week we will learn another 5 letters, and we will also learn how to add the noise of e in any letter, and how to identify when we add choti e, the small e noise, and the big e noise. So we are going now a little bit on the complex side, but also more informative side, because you'll be able to also identify so many letters. You'll be able to build your vocabulary. That is very important. And as you all know, Veggie, could you repeat about the Thursday class? I think because that is the advanced level. So those who are already interested, they can join the third class. Let's hear from Veggie about Thursday class also.
Yeah, I think many of the students are taking Thursday's class also here. Like, well, Leah ji, Penyathip ji is also taking, Anong ji is also taking Thursday's. So yeah, so please be there. Yeah, Thursday's class, the timing has changed from last week. Now from 5:30 Indian time IST, from 5:30 to 7 o'clock. So please come in big number there, and maybe yeah, I think definitely we will change this classes timetable also from August. Nandita ji will take class from 5:30 to 7 from August 18, I think the Nandita ji, your first class, I think on as our timetable.
हाँ
As
जी
you see, Shivani ji, you will finish your class on 11th August, isn't it? Yeah. So from 18th August,
हाँ
Nandita
जी
ji will start, and the timetable will change from 5:30. Monday's class and Thursday's class time will be same, but Monday 5:30 and Thursday 5:30 Indian time, and both classes will be scheduled for 1.5 hour.
ओके
Okay.
ओके
Okay.
थैंक यू।
Sure.
आप इसके लिए शिवानी जी गूगल से फॉर्म से परीक्षा लास्ट क्लास में कोई
जी।
एग्जाम भी शेड्यूल कर सकती हैं, और अभी थोड़ा सा हम लोग नंदिता जी के साथ बातचीत की कितना सिलेबस कवर हो जाएगा, और नंदिता जी वहीं से फिर जहां से आप एग्जाम लेंगी या सिलेबस पॉइंट लास्ट होगा आपका, वहां से नंदिता जी शुरू कर देंगी, उससे
ठीक है
उसके
विजय।
हम बात कर रहेंगे।
विजय ठीक है, अभी आपके पास टाइम है तो अभी कर लेते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच एवरीवन। सो यू ऑल नो योर होमवर्क एंड आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट वीक। हाँ, थैंक यू एंड हैव अ ग्रेट वीक अहेड। धन्यवाद, नमस्कार, स्वादिका।
नमस्कार, धन्यवाद जी।
धन्यवाद।
स्वादिका, बाय बाय।
So you have learned something in Thai language, Shivani ji.
I already only knew Swadika, so
I, yeah, I also want to learn some Thai word. Yeah,
yes, I think it's important for us to also learn some more Thai words
yeah.
if we have Thai speaking
It,
students.